Hi guys, I'm just forcing to do this introduction. It's late. It's cloudy, it's cold outside. I came back from rain and yeah, guys, I need to share with you. So I just felt like prawns. I used to eat prawns. It's not for the first time taking prawns. I used to order them from Ocean Basket and they are nice, but it's been long since I ate them. And today I felt like cooking them on my own. So let me show you what I bought. And I don't know what kind of a meal I'm going to produce, but as long as I'm going to eat prawns today, then I'm fine. I was running. Outside is cold, so I was running. Forgive me, I'm running out of my breath. Let me quickly show you my prawns. Guys, these are my prawns. I'm just gonna clean them. They're still icy though. I don't know why I didn't put them. Like they were outside of the fridge the whole time. So I'm gonna wash them and pat them with some what? Paper towel to dry them because I'm just gonna fry them. And then I got some bell peppers, then some lemons. These lemons I'm going to in the thing, and then I have this thing here. Then I'm going to do some rice. Guys, you know I don't normally share my cookings. I'll only share, I don't know what I will do, but I don't share my recipes because I'm not a recipe person. I'm doing trial and error. Sapo ke letswai in sepedi. Sakosha ke le role. I chopped half an onion behind the scenes because guys, literally it was dark. So me moving around, changing lengths, the camera angles and all that, I didn't have time. So the onions were going to be together with those mixed vegetables, and I was impressed with them. Normally you find a lot of corns, but today they were like balanced. In here, I poured in some salt, some barbecue, and a little bit of paprika. I thought I was recording, guys, because I was rushing. And this thing here, I had to drain them out because, you know, it wasn't defrosted enough. So there was a little bit of water. I didn't want that water. I drained it out so that I can fry them properly. Yeah, a cup of rice will do. This is a mug. A mug is bigger. A cup. This mug will do for for this time. The dinner, and for me to take lunchbox to the office also tomorrow. And I think it's even more. After cooking this, it was more. Guys, I love having a 4 burner stove. It really makes my life easy. Look, all the plates are functional at the moment. Guys, it's for the first time, so don't judge me. Whatever the outcome it is, I think it's coming okay. It really because I don't even know what like I said, in English, when the song is being sang, the dust will follow. So yeah, as long as the checking the car taste fell. So they are coming okay. Let them fry a bit. This side I don't have a problem. It's the usual. It's the usual. You guys, I crave the unusual things like prawns, but I had to make them myself. The other day, I was craving sushi. I bought it again. Apart from the one that you saw it on TV, on my channel, I bought it again. So this one are nearly done also. My cookings are always fast. It's time to dish up. I quickly finished cooking because, like I said, 4 burner it's coming in handy. 4 plates working at the same time. And guys, really, I enjoyed my meal. It was so simple. Like I'm saying, as long as there is taste, everything came out so perfectly. So on the vegetable mixed veggies, I had to put in some stock to make it like a soup, so that the food doesn't become all dry. To get my point, rice le sopo ba fethu, rice le sopo. So there's a little bit of some stock there mixed with water. It was, guys, I enjoyed my meal. You can try it also. So I even got it here from in the office. Yeah, I enjoyed. If you don't like prawns, try them. If you think you don't like something, try it and be sure that yes, this one I won't even eat it again. That's what I do. That is what I always do. I always try different kind of dishes so that I can be gladly saying, no, this one is not for me. This one is not for me. This one I enjoy. This one I enjoy. So far, I enjoy seafood, and I don't know where in Polokwane do they sell seafood boil. That one I'm dying to taste it. I'm so dying to taste it, guys. I enjoyed the meal. You guys enjoy this video, and I hope you're going to try cooking your own prawns if you haven't. Enjoy the rest of the video. I love you so much, and thank you for joining me. Bye.